The Fix It Lady here. Welcome in, viewers, my Fix It folks. If you're new, welcome in. I do DIYs, crafts, I fix things. I do a whole bunch of things. You just never know what I'm going to do. So today I'm going to do some Dollar Tree. It's just going to be like a little lamp. I just thought I had some stuff that I just keep going through and thinking of. Oh, I can make that. Oh, I can make that. So anyway, this is all from the Dollar Tree. This is just a little vase, and I put the little sparkle. It's a ribbon, but it's in like with all the ribbons. So I just glued that on there, and then this is just some of the tooling that I just had extra from making my Valentine wreath. So I'm just going to put it in there for a little prettiness in there. This is a little thing from the Dollar Tree, a little mirror. I guess you could put it in a locker in your room or in your bathroom or something, but I'm going to use it just as a design, a table design for this lamp because it matches the silver. This was a bell, come with two, red and silver, from Christmas. This one was broken, so I just chipped away all the rest of it so it wasn't pointy, and I'm going to make a lamp. So I'm going to use some. This is plastic, but I'm going to use a little E6000 just because this is glass, but I'm also going to use a little bit of this as well, hot glue as well. That way it don't have to take forever to set. But just a dab on that and a dab, whoop, more than a dab, but it's okay. Okay, so then I'm going to glue this to this. Doesn't matter that the tag's on there, and then this was from the Dollar Tree. It came like this. I have no idea what. I guess you could hang them up on something, but this is exactly the way. I didn't do anything to it. It just came like this. So, of course, I picked it up because I'm like, oh, I could do something with that, right? No, who knows? So, this is the bell, this is the light. So I'm going to put the bell, or the light, inside the bell. Now you're like, why? Well, it's going to shoot out the bottom. But you're not going to see that junky look that I cut around because it was broken. So I'm going to glue this to this. And I'm going to flip the bell so it looks like a little tulip lamp. So I'm going to glue, hopefully this wants to glue. To that. Yep, wants to be wheelie. Okay. It's setting. It's sitting. Okay, and then I had this, not the pipe cleaners. That was for another project. I had this from the Dollar Tree as well, from Valentine's Day wreath. So I was going to put it around there just to hide the fact that the glue's all over and give it a little color there. Glue. And no, I didn't burn myself. I usually, wants to be a stinker and be crooked on me. If your electric goes out, you can use this in your bathroom, or wherever you want, on your nightstand. Put a little more, just to hide the fact that there's so much glue on there. More glue. I guess that's not the best thing I could have put on there. I don't know. I'm not liking that. I'm gonna take that off. You ever just do that and you're just like, nah, don't like it. I don't like it. I wish I had some more of that. Let's see. I don't think so. Oh, I do not have it. MIM? Okay. Nope, that's not the all. Okay. Ooh, maybe. These are cute, but I won't use the color. I'll use the silver. Ha ha. See if you keep brainstorming and figure it out. Glue that again because I ripped them off. Oops. Can't glue it if the glue's not in there, right? But these little, I got these at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to turn them over and use the silver part. Okay. So silver part. And it falls off. Not enough glue. Actually, could put silver color, because there are pink. That would look cute. Okay. Glue all over the place. It's stuck to me. Okay, then the silver. Let's see if I can find pink. Pink. Just to hide the glue fact that you glued a Christmas bell to make like a tulip lamp. We're going to go silver again. I'm going to see if I got a pink. Hopefully I have enough, right? Pink. Pink. Silver. Pink. the last one I grabbed. Nope. Where's the pink? No more pink. Alright, well. Guess you're getting a purple. Purple's fine. In the middle there. No biggie. Oh, and that slid. See that? You gotta wait till the E6000 sets, but before you do anything with it, but okay. And then you take your little lamp, you put it in there, or your light, and then you get the glittery, glowy effect of down there into the little sparkles. And it's a cute little light that you can use anywhere you want to use it. There you go. Let me turn the lights off for a minute. And you have, sorry babies, and you have a little light. It's not a whole lot of light, but it gets the job done. You turn it off, and you turn it on. Simple, easy, fun. I mean, yes, why would you want to make one? I don't know, just because I could, you know, just to figure out something different, because I didn't know what the heck to do with this thing. I guess maybe they're, you know, you hang them up, but then you got to go around trying to turn them all on like that. So, upside down bell, and make a cute little, or maybe for a little girl's room, that'd be cute. Little decoration for a little girl's room. I think it's super cute. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Share me out if you can. I really appreciate it. That's helped my channel. I really appreciate you guys sticking around, see what I'm going to do next. Because you never know. Say goodbye. Say bye, Bella. Bye, Rocco. Talk to you later, guys. Sorry about that.